But if in those places where neem plants are not available or neem leaves are not available, you can also use neem powder. This neem powder, you just take 2 spoons of powder in 3 cups of water and boil it for 20 minutes. After that, let it cool at room temperature. And once it comes at room temperature, then you can apply it as decoction on your head and leave it for next 20 minutes. After that, wash it with lukewarm water. When you do this procedure twice or thrice a week, it will help you to remove this dandruff permanently from your head, and your roots will become more strong and your scalp will become more healthy. Another use of neem is, if you get fresh leaves of neem, you just make paste of these leaves. How you can make a paste? You just take a jar, put few drops of water into it, and you just grind it and bring it in a paste form. You can also then give a partition for your hair, and everywhere you just apply this neem paste. Apply like this, you just with comb you keep do partition of the hair and apply everywhere this neem paste. Leave this neem paste for 20 minutes on your head, and after that wash this neem paste with lukewarm water. Immediately after applying, even for the first time, you will start seeing results. And once you start doing it twice or thrice a week, and then you will be totally get rid of dandruff. Sometimes it takes, it depends on how old your dandruff is, because to what extent your kapha and vata dosha are imbalanced. Neem is extremely beneficial for balancing the kapha dosh. So it depends like how old your dandruff is, that much time it will take to cure this dandruff. So for some people it takes 15 days, some people it takes month. But good thing is you will be get rid of this dandruff naturally by just applying this neem paste on your hair. So it's a very natural remedy and very effective remedy according to Ayurveda for dandruff. Next procedure according to Ayurveda which you can do to make the health of your hair very strong and better, that is applying this coconut oil. Coconut oil is extremely nourishing for your hair root, and you can apply this coconut oil before taking shower on your hair. You just apply this coconut oil for 1 hour. After that you can take shower with any and wash your hair with any herbal organic shampoo, whatever of your choice. It's better if the shampoo contains shikakai. It's a natural herb which is very beneficial for your hair. And if it is not available, any shampoo which has natural ingredients, try to wash your hair with those ingredients. And you apply coconut oil and leave it only for 1 hour. Don't kept your hair soaked with coconut oil for 2-3 days, because otherwise it will clog the hair pores. It clogs the pores of your skin, and that is not so good for your hair growth. So you just apply it for 1 hour, and after that you wash your hair. So what is the procedure of applying it? You take coconut oil in some plastic bottle and heat it and put this bottle in hot water. And after that, when the oil become little warm, not hot but warm, you apply on your hair. You will see immediately it will provide a lot of soothing effect on your hair, and it will make the hair roots extremely strong. And it will, when your scalp and your hair roots will become healthy, then it will protect your hair from hair fall, and you will see amazing results regarding this dandruff when you apply this coconut oil, because it is coconut oil extremely beneficial to remove dryness from the scalp. That means it is extremely beneficial to balance the vata dosha. After that, there is a hair pack which is very beneficial according to Ayurveda, which you can use in your home, that is called Amla hair pack, that is gooseberry hair pack. So this is it's Indian gooseberry. It is very famous. It is called Amelica officinalis is the botanical name for this. So this, if you get the powder of this root, you make a paste by mixing little bit of water into it and add few leaves of tulsi leaves. Tulsi basilicum, this is the herb, botanical name of the herb. You just take either 2-3 leaves, it depends like what kind of hair you have. If you have huge hair, you can use 5-6 leaves. If you have very less hair, like short hair, you can use 2-3 leaves. You make a paste of this powder and these leaves and apply this paste on your hair. Similarly, with comb, you just make partition of your hair and apply this paste. It is extremely beneficial for your hair because it has antifungal properties, antiviral properties, and it is extremely beneficial for nourishing your hair in a proper way. So these are the things which you can do for removing the dandruff from your hair and making your scalp extremely healthy. I think these are the 3 things which are extremely beneficial if you are suffering from seborrheic dermatitis or any kind of dandruff or darunaka. So these 3 things, if you are doing continuously, like this amla powder paste with tulsi, you can apply in your head twice or thrice a week. This coconut therapy you can use twice a week, and this neem decoction washing also you can do twice a week, and you will see amazing results in after application of these things only in few days, and it doesn't cost much, and you will see extreme relief if you try these things. But make sure you should not be allergic to any of these things. Usually people are not allergic to neem, but if rare of the rarest cases there, like some people feel like they are allergic to neem or they are allergic to amla powder, then you please don't use. But usually nobody is allergic to these things. But also I would like to request you, always make sure like you are getting product from without adulteration and from a proper source. That means it should be organic, only then it would be extremely beneficial. And if you have any question regarding that, and if you feel like there is not only dandruff but there is some skin problem also, some is vesicles are there, some papules are there, or some other big disease is there, because hair fall is not only because of dandruff, there are many other diseases that are related with scalp. So in these cases you always consult Ayurveda doctor if you need Ayurveda doctor's advice, or your own doctor, modern medicine doctor. If you see like there is a patchy hair loss, then it is not because of dandruff, then it is because of some other disease. So it is very, very beneficial, like first take advice from a doctor, whether it is dandruff or it is patchy hair loss, or maybe because there are many other reasons and many other diseases associated with hair loss. But if doctors diagnose like it is just dandruff and you just take certain precautions, then all these things, these herbal remedies that are mentioned in Ayurveda, you can make use of it and make your hair healthy naturally. So that's all for today. If you have any questions regarding hair, you can please write to us. We will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. And with this note, I would like to say thank you very much for watching us. And with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and keep writing to us. Stay well.